you guys, happy Saturday. So it's Saturday, October the 29th. And this is my hair. I just put up in that little bun last night. Yeah, looking a hot mess. We're gonna figure it out in a few minutes. But I just got finished editing the vlog, and this time I actually scheduled it. So yesterday the vlog went out super late because I was at the event and I was like, girl, I did not finish that video. That's why I didn't have a thumbnail, and that's why I didn't go out till 9. I was literally at the event and was like, oh shit, and I had to go on my phone and make it live. So I apologize. I edited it, but I forgot all about it when I was rushing. It's currently 9:55. Supposed to be meeting Alicia for brunch at 11:30, and then we're supposed to go to her house and work on her new closet system from Ikea. I have on this t-shirt, but I think I'm gonna throw a sweater on top of it because it's like 50 something. So I'm gonna have this on so when I get to her house and we get to work, and I can just take the sweater off, you know, just have a t-shirt. So I think that's what we're gonna do. I just have on a pair of jeans, and then I have on my Converse dupes from Belk. And that's it. My favorite, you know, all my jeans are Abercrombie and Fitch, so you don't have to ask which type of jeans I got on. So I'm uploading the vlog now, making sure it has a thumbnail. Created the thumbnails for yesterday's video, edited that. Y'all, we got 2 more days. Your girl is tired, okay? I got three more days of editing to go. So I have today for tomorrow and tomorrow for my birthday. Or actually, I might just do my birthday vlog on my birthday. We'll see. You might get 2 vlogs on my birthday. I don't know. We'll see how they go. But anyway, like I said, Jalen has somewhere to go tonight, so I'll probably be home about 8 o'clock to take her wherever she needs to go. And then I'm supposed to go to a website, buy some tickets. So I need to figure out, make sure I get her tickets, child, because she'll be trying to kill me. Be like, Mom, you didn't give me her tickets. And get her some tickets. If you want to eat them, eat on some peanuts. Y'all know I love roasted peanuts. And I roast them myself at home. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. So let's update right now. I'm just gonna charge up my batteries for my camera. They went to the Dollar General. I think I hear them now. They back from the store. But yeah, I'm charging my batteries for the day, since I'll be gone for a while. So I'll check in with you guys a little bit later. All right, you guys, 10:55. I am headed out to North Italia. It's gonna be so good. I haven't eaten breakfast either. Yummy, yummy, yummy. But I am headed to the highway so we can get some good breakfast. I forgot North Italia brunch is not one of my favorites. After looking at the menu, I couldn't remember, but they don't really have anything like pancakes, waffles, nothing like that, because I guess it's considered Italian breakfast. So I'll probably just get the Americano. I don't really like hash browns, but that's all they got, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about that either. But that's what we're gonna go for today. And yeah, that's what we're doing. So I don't really have nothing to say. I just came to check in with you guys. I ended up wearing this shacket, or it's actually like a dress, but I got it oversized so I can wear it as a shacket and as a dress if I wanted to. So I just have it on as a shacket today, and like I said, I just have on a t-shirt and stuff because we get to work. And then I have my little work bag. I bought me like some knee pads, the hammer. All you need is like a hammer and what do you call those things? Screwdrivers. Ikea stuff is not that complicated to put together. But I don't know, Alicia, she might not have no tools, child, so we gotta be prepared. I know she ain't got no knee pads, and I need my knee pads if I'm kneeling down, for sure. So I bought those. But yeah, that's what we're doing. So I will check with you guys a little bit later. show you their bedroom, but Alicia, this is what it's looking like. And we've already put one inside of the closet already. So just gonna show you it. Looks like this. So she was able to get the 96 because their closet is super tall. But I put this one together already. I'm about to put the drawer together so she can figure out where to put the rods. And then she's gonna find somebody to come and attach it to the wall for them. Cause I ain't attached mine to the wall, but I do suggest it for them because theirs are super tall and they're gonna have a lot of stuff in here. So yeah, we're just working on getting it put together. And she's gonna work on trying to put one together by herself. So I'm putting her drawer together, you guys can see. And then this is a 19-inch one right here. So, all right, you guys, we're tag teaming. So she's putting the 19-inch together, and I'm gonna get the drawer things in here so I can get this done. Hey, bougie, I'm like bootleg. What they got them singing? I love when they do the remix. Them things be so good. That part. I think it's on like all day. I be so tickled at night. So it's like, I know this came on here today. I said, I know, but it's feel like it's funny. They do. I was like, how they come up with this stuff? Oh shit, he scared the fuck out of me.
Is this
the feet?
Okay, just making sure I'm doing it right. Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Drawer is in. Well, they was out of the 29-inch shelf, so she doesn't have the shelf to go on top of it yet, but she'll get it, and when she does, she'll put it probably in this hole and it'll sit right on top. And so she just needs to measure her clothes hanger to see how far up she needs to be. If she puts it right there, it should be fine. She could even come down a little bit. So that's up to her to decide. So that's what that looks like. Look at somebody.
I did all by myself,
see? See? Now she bought the builder. What is that girl's name? The builder girl that be in the show. I gotta figure out. He got a girl that be on there too.
I didn't know that.
I forgot her name.
About the builder. It ain't Dora. That's a whole different show.
That is not Dora. No man, Dora is the explorer. Not the builder.
Dora the builder, but that is not her.
No, that's not her.
Okay. I don't know how you do this by yourself. I literally don't know how you do this by yourself. Well, hi, y'all do what y'all do.
Alicia over here says she finna get a blinged out tube belt for next time she get all of her stuff on her tube belt.
Emerald green.
Emerald green?
Yeah, And then
with the bling bling on it.
As my nails pop off, I can put them in my tube.
Not your nail. But anyway, y'all, we on the last 2, so we built 6 already, and it's only 4:30. So we got these 2. She got that one. She got one right here, and then we already have 2 in the closets already. Ooh, child.
I'm glad I got the 22 because I was close to getting the 13. And then I
the depth?
Yeah.
You didn't need to get no 13. Your closet is deep enough. I didn't know the difference
until I went on you did a vlog where you said you didn't want your clothes to show. That's
oh, yeah.
22, so I was like, all right, let me see.
Yeah, girl, because as soon as you told me you got 13, I'm like, you need to return them. You like, really? I'm like, yep. All right, let's put these last 2 together. We've been humping it.
I'm gonna go next year.
Live. Live.
Didn't she pass away recently?
Yeah. And that's what I was telling Faye, Alicia. You know, all the famous people died at the same age as my mama in the same year.
Really?
The Queen died a month after Mother did. She was 96. Mother was 96. She was 96.
Oh, wow.
And one other famous person, I think it was a male, he was 96. And my sister called me and she said, is it the year 96? It's weird. Huh? Bill Russell, yeah. That's who it was. Bill Russell died.
Alright, you guys, it's 9 o'clock and we're finally finished. Well, she ain't finished putting her closet together, but we finished putting the closet together, if that makes sense. So she got 8 units in here, you guys. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 29, no, 5 29 inches and 3 19s. So that's what it looks like. So they have really tall ceilings, so they got the 96. So yeah. Got the accessory trays. There's going to be a bar there hanging, and then shelves. Ikea's out of a lot of stuff. And she has 4 drawers there, and that's going to be hanging. And then she already hung up some of her stuff already. So that's what it looks like. But Alicia's going to give you the final reveal. And then she's also going to put one in here on this side for her accessories. Can y'all see me? I don't even know what to put right here. She's going to put it there for the side for her accessories. But I'm about to take my ass home because I got to take somebody to the haunted house at freaking 11 o'clock.
Okay. You something wet? She think he'll change clothes. Oh, he went through his clothes?
He's in there sweat. He had a hard day.
He slept so hard. Alright.
We done. We done. Oh, and then she got 5 extra shells that she thought was 29 but 19. Actually, you got 1, 2. Wait, you gonna use some of those in here, right?
No, I'm done.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She got returned 7. She only used 2 out of the 10 she bought. She thought they was 29, but she ended up getting 19s by mistake.
Can you? It's better if I just take it to the store.
Yeah, just take it back, cause you can just exchange it by the time you be in Memphis.
Oh, I can do that.
You can just exchange them.
Alright. Y'all through for the day?
I'm through for life. Alright guys, I am parked at the Atrox. I have dropped the kids off. I'm just gonna sit here and wait for them because there's no use for me driving all the way back home when I'm gonna have to come all the way back out here. So I'm just gonna sit here and probably take a nap in the car because it's way past my bedtime. It's 10:52. I think their tickets are for 11 o'clock. So hopefully they'll get in. I don't really know how it works when you pick your time, but that's where they are, you guys. So we'll see how they enjoy it. They were so scared going in, but hey, they gotta do what they gotta do. Now it's 1 o'clock in the morning. This child got me up all the way past my freaking bedtime. We just dropped off the last little friend. My friend got me up past my bedtime. Jalen talking about all the little jump scares and people touching them. And she talking about, don't touch me. But she said she enjoyed it, had a good time. Now she's super sleepy. Look at her eyes. They just red.
They red?
A little bit, yeah. I'm hungry, y'all. I ain't ate since last night. It was at 6. It's tomorrow. I'm gonna give me a bagel and then I'm lying the fuck down. I'm so tired. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If y'all did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos from us. And we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.